This video is going to show you how to pull your data from IDMS. So let's start by going to idmsweb.com, and then you're going to log in over here. We're going to log in as Brian and Gino today. He has volunteered to allow us to use his account so we can look at some mod civ scores. So this is the main screen. The first thing you want to click on would be results, right up here on this tab. Then you want to click state tests to look at star data. Okay, first we want to switch our enrollment, and that's this big window up here. So we're going to click on this little box over here that says edit. Now it defaults to 2012-13. This will pull data of the scores for students who are currently sitting in your classes as of right now, this year, 2012-13. But if you want to look at how your students did the previous year, students you had last spring when they took the star in your class, then you want to select 2011-2012. You could always go back further as well. And then you want to select semester, and then semester 2, that's when the star test is taken. And then we're going to look at the Mod Civ and US History here. So we're going to select these three. And then you can select all your classes, or if you only want to look at a certain few, you can select just a couple. And then you click Continue. Okay, now that that's set, then you want to select the test type. For star, we pick CST. We want to look at the total test. The subject for Brian is history. And we want to look at that 2011-12 year. And we're going to look at, actually we can leave that optional. If you see it optional here, you don't need to select anything. In fact, if you were to select one of these, it would narrow it down. But we actually want to look at his US History class and his 2 Mod Civ classes. So we're going to leave those blank. So then you can come down here and select Get Results. At school, this may take longer to load, but sometimes it works pretty fast. All right, here we go. Now the first graph you get and the numbers associated with it, it shows that 11,000 students took this test. That's because it defaults up here to overall. And the overall would be every student in the Hart District. So we're going to change this to class. And here we go. 3 nice graphs. And right down here we have by class, number of kids that tested in each class, and the score breakdown, percentage of each level. And this is what you will use if you need to look up your individual API. You could also take a look at the student level, and I'm not going to select that because I don't want to put students' names and scores up on the internet, obviously, but if you want to look at the levels of all of your students, you can collect student level. That is how you find your scores. Then you can just print this page. Thanks for watching this tutorial.